Bosch dryer won't start, just clicks when push start.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. If you press start and watch the timer for a few minutes, does the timer still count down?
I don't know, and I'm not where the dryer is right now.
Okay, so generally the issue has to do with the belt switch is tripped. Below is a link to the switch I'm talking about. This is the belt switch and it's mounted to the floor next to the motor and tension pulley. You'll need to pull the dryer forward and unplug the unit. Remove all the screws going into the back panel and pull the entire back panel of the dryer off. Now locate the switch. Push one of the black buttons in one direction and try the dryer again to see if it works. If not, push the black button the other direction and see if it resets. If the unit still won't work, then you'll need to order and replace the control board because the switch isn't your problem. If you need more help, please use the reply tab to continue our conversation.
I'm going to try this and get back with you. Thanks, Richard.
Alright, good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.